Welcome to Kiran's Learner Academy. Dear students, we will be discussing the topic of non-verbal, that is analogy or similarity. In non-verbal, we would be dealing with the figures. Similarly, we did with the words and numbers in the verbal section. First question, if we look for, we have hexagon on the top which comes in the middle. Then we have this cross one that comes on the left. It was on the left, then came on the right. Then we have this two circles which were on the right which came on the left. That means left and right being exchanged, and the top one will come in the bottom and that will go upwards. So similarly, that means we will be having three triangles and one rectangle colored. Then the circle will be on the left side and plus will be on the right side. That means option number 3. Next question we have for the W. This W is being reversed. So if we reverse this W, we will get in this direction, either third, fourth or first. Then if we talk about the triangles, that this right is being shifted in left and the one which is left has shifted to right. So if we say that this triangle will go in the left and this will be the right one. So we have as our option number 4th. Let's see the next one. We have next as circle. The circle from center has shifted to the right. So this arrow will shift towards this. Then if we talk about this is equals to, which is at the top, has come to the bottom. That means it will come at the bottom. Similarly, if I talk about the star which is at the bottom will come in the center. That means S will come in the center. Then we have this cross has gone upwards. That means this triangle will go over here, and we have a different sign over here which is not in the earlier figure. So if we look for this, we have the figure as the third one. Let's see the next one. Next we have 2 arrows downwards and then 3 arrows. If it say 2 arrows, then we need again the 3 arrows. That means any of these figures. So we have rotated it 90 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. So if we go, we will get in the downward direction, and that too with the different this sign. If we rotate it in the anti-clockwise direction, this arrow should come up, but it has gone downwards. So similarly, it should be like this, but it will come in the opposite direction. That is the 4th part. Next figure, first figure is the mirror image of the second. So if we construct the mirror image of this, then the answer will be the answer one is third figure. So let's go with the next one. In this we have the second figure at the bottom, then the third figure and the first figure. Similarly, second figure, then third figure, and then first figure. So this will give you as an option number 4th. Let's see the next one. Next we have 2 triangles which have converted into 3 triangles. Similarly, in this we have to convert it into 3 this way. Then earlier there was no line, it has increased by 1, so that means it should be increased by 2. So the answer will be the first one. Let's see the next one. We have 5 lines over here, so we have pentagon. So if we have 3 lines, that means we should have a triangle. That means option number 3. Let's see the next one. In this is just the mirror image of this. So if we draw a mirror image of this figure, what I was going to get is this thing. So this figure is option number 3. Next we have just reversed it. That means it is the water image of this figure. Second figure is the water image of the first one. So similarly, if we rotate this, then we are going to get as option number 2nd. Let's see the next one. In next one, we have removed the lines from the center. That means if we cross these 4 from the center, we are left with the 5 dots. That means option number 2nd. Next one, in this we have one line, two lines perpendicular with one dot, and in this we have one line extra with the two. So similarly we can say with this also that we will have two lines and two dots, two lines and two dots, these two pattern, and it has been reversed. That means it has to go downwards, and if the this dot was upwards, it has come downwards. Similarly, if it is on the left, then we have to make right, then we have to make it on the left side. So the figure will be the third one. Let's see the next one. In next figure, we have just rotated the arrows, so that means it will be this way. So this figure is option number 4. So these were the some questions we did for the analogy. Thank you.